welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KSU raises concerns over DSC recruitment process. Aroha Choir to host fundraising concert for patients in need. Minister Paul Lindor inaugurates control room for child and women welfare, and KHADC CEM launches new book by Shillong. And now the news in detail. On October 14th, the Khasi Students Union KSU, led by President John Fisher Nongsiang, met with the District Commissioner DC to address significant issues regarding the District Selection Committee DSC recruitment process. Following the meeting, Nongsiang revealed that the KSU presented 17 key demands aimed at ensuring a transparent and efficient recruitment system. Among the top priorities discussed were the need for educated members in the DSC, the installation of CCTV cameras at examination centers, and the abolition of personal interviews for minor posts. The KSU also requested that officials from various government departments be barred from the recruitment process. The DC's response to these demands remains unknown.
Hadin Meghalaya kijing ujar nang Samla buat kamar jam hakin di sini senang balik. Te hadin Meghalaya seut kijing ujinam kalian kaseng dilawan banai kini ka kod. Jadi ban points ki bangi ajimut ya district administration pada ka DSC jadi kijing tungkam. Maka mengi hakin di senang balik sibun kijing dunah jadi kijing tungkam tungjam. Bat kijing dunah haki ibarat. Kena kalian jongi minta kesini lawan ban ai kini points akannya tu points kita ada berka jingdon kam ba ka DSC ka pendrong te ka khamtam ek ban kong ek nilai krah bede ka jingdon kam kum ki member jo ka DSC kide bandai ki nongtrei ki ba la pule ki graduate ki bla start ki bandai ki kino ki political appointees kino ki khat jong kan ka seng hima sima Maka mengi ini senang pula ada sibun di jing duna, kijing ujing nam, kijing jia, pula jiang ini kijing tungkam lumba kini ki nangelam, jong kini ki political appointees bagi latong. Jadi sama jongi hadin mangilu kini ladu jengkerman, bad bun nak ki Samla, ki wat banwan yale exam. Banwan ta exam nam ta kini ki pus batar per ke ba kondak ta DSC. Ini kuat syu banwan marka indon kini ka jingle Shillong ila bano ke jing tung nalendet bagdor jong ki niki nangilam jong ki seng sima te naklen jungi kum kini la dawa bang ide ban nakliang ka deputy commissioner di ban weng ba naklen jungu umdon kini ka bor ba le ta te naklen jungi sa ngaban ya syaka sarkar bandawa ba kum kini ki post ki member na kalian ka sarkar ka deban weng te kumjuro habi de betowi pat ko point ko don kam na makumang tiap baka western district ka dikaka jong ibun ki office ba haba po ka rikasi ten kalian jongi ko aba kinu ki post ki ba hapo ka rikasi.
The Aroha Choir of Shillong, led by Pauline Wardry, is set to hold a fundraising concert on October 19, 2024 at Usosotham Auditorium. The event aims to raise funds for patients from low-income families seeking treatment at Dr. Gordon Roberts Hospital. All donations collected will directly benefit these patients. In addition to the choir members, the concert will feature a variety of musicians, dancers and singers from various groups, creating a vibrant evening of entertainment. Wardry encourages everyone who appreciates music and dance to attend and contribute, no matter how small, to support this noble initiative and help those in need at Roberts Hospital.
Society is organizing a concert for the benefit of the Poor Patient Fund of the Robert Hospital. I felt that as musicians we also have a moral responsibility, and the little that we can do is to raise funds through our music. So we have collaborators in the hospital, the Roberts Hospital, and a few other artists like Adil Masar, the cellist, Benedict Hinyota, the flautist, Dapalai Stacey Wajri and her dance academy, Linkit and his friends from Joai. So I'm very thankful that you've given me this opportunity to let the public know that we're doing something for the health sector, and we hope that it will not only end in this. So the concert is on the 19th of October in the Sosotham Auditorium at 5 p.m. And all the proceeds will go towards the Poor Patient Fund of the Roberts Hospital.
So why only Robert Hospital? There are poor patients all over the state.
Yes. See, we can only do so much. We have to start somewhere. This is the hospital that I was born in, and my grandfather joined this hospital as one of the first Indian doctors. My mother grew up there. So what better way than to start in the place where you were born? And I hope that it will go on to other things. And we've done not only this concert, but we've also done podcasts with the doctors involved, the Robert Hospital. And then we've also done, we're going to do back-to-back panel discussions and health awareness programs starting on the 17th, which is the day after tomorrow, at the Pearly Dew School. And then we have another health awareness program on the 18th at the Sosotham Auditorium as well, and a free health checkup done by the hospital.
Do you think how many patients will benefit from this?
Well, we're hoping that many.
Paul Lyngdoh, the Minister of Social Welfare, inaugurated a new control room at the Directorate of Social Welfare aimed at enhancing services for the welfare of children and women in the community. During the inauguration, he emphasized the importance of addressing the challenges faced by department employees in their daily tasks. Lyngdoh sought detailed information on the operations of the Child Development Control Room and the Child and Women Helpline. He urged staff members to work diligently to support vulnerable children and women who are victims of abuse and criminal activities. The new facility is expected to streamline assistance and improve response times for those in need.
Emergency. And
all of these are call-based.
Yes. And these are the cases that we transferred to the, transferred from the districts to our control unit. Yes. So there are total of this year we've received.
Manpower in women and child helpline, it's okay because we are doing it through the central. So we are getting the numbers which we require. The shortfall is in the directorates, the establishment, because we in the ICDS, which I told you, we are giving employment to 12,000 Anganwadi workers and helpers.
Papo, according to police data.
See, first and foremost, it's very important that people should lodge complaints, should make calls to us, calls to the police station. As you would have noticed, the fact that the success rate, if you go back to the figures displayed there, which would be somewhere around 90%. A lot of these cases are supposed to be closed, which means that they have reached a logical end. Two is now there is greater sensitivity and greater familiarity amongst citizens of Meghalaya about these issues. So more and more cases are getting reported. If you compare the situation today with what was 10 years ago, it would be a huge difference, because earlier on people preferred to stay silent. the maximum that they would report is to go to the donbosco, which doesn't have the legal wherewithal to deal with such cases. Now that there is more awareness, people are coming forward, and therefore the number of cases is also
Has the
reflected in that.
government done enough?
First, let me thank the Directorate of Social Welfare, led by Khuborjylla as the director, for having shown exemplary level of service, which is well above what I had expected before reaching here. As you can see for yourself, we have highly tech-savvy young boys and girls handling cases on a daily basis. Cases of complaint for both child helpline and women helpline are done round the clock with 3 personnel manning for 8 hours shift continuously, and there is also space for the distressed callers, whether children or women, to even get accommodation when calls come in the middle of the night and they have to be picked up by.
On October 14th, Bapanyat Singh Siem, Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC), launched a new book titled San Perkat Ukhasi Bat Kidak Tho Hakaktin Khasi by author Ba Prikshan Kharshiying. The launch took place during a meeting at the Council's conference hall, attended by members of the Khasi Author Society, MDCs, and the author's relatives. This marks Kharshiying's 12th publication in 36 years, following his debut book, La Pulom A, released in 1988. The event celebrated the contribution of local literature to Khasi culture.
Ban non sinyang hakatho kata habide bakene kabenta te kumbangi tip lang hibaro baka tmei jongka district council hi bala sengye ka nadus na kakandai spatsan puan daga jingtumu bakum kawai na kashnat tregam hapo karitis insha jong kari India kan yo ban I bor shushu yaki Kenhuan berper lani, banshim ya kebenta banwara ya kejingnya tai kejingnya sa kejingnya kren nak kebenta ban penlong an lani ban penskem ya kita kiri tidur stone kiba ulok shwa lahika ini, but kumbangi kenok nak ketinong way, but codify the practices kijongi, nadu kesensian kada, hadu ka Ruai, kasiau, katen kaput, nanta kabang, kakcil kini, berkunjung ru kaku kasam, bab kiwe kebentang. Te ngasuban berpawai kejikmen namar ba nakadang tungiru kumka council ngila persyang hai board badet, bakuno bangin khot syakmat yaki research scholars, kibadan yang kecing anglur, ban terpronglan ya kelingkon ke bakhia limba katho kata ke ba kanlong ke jingmentoi ke patai ke banwan ninget scam bakum council badai limba kini ki jingtho ki ba nginla ban bud
ya minta ban benek bisa iki kolsio di situ dengan mengenai kota bede hantahi tinggal ada sosial mawan banyak bentuk yang CM menemburung jengi. Tiba iru mureu, ugai, ya kan reji ugai iriti justru barok, ira koloi ban. Ayo siap cuci yang nagaba ira yang kerjaan nagliam.
On 14th October, Amprin Lyngdoh, Minister of Health and a leader of the National People's Party (NPP), announced that the party is fully prepared for the upcoming elections in Gambegre constituency in Garo Hills. Speaking to the media, Lyngdoh confirmed that the NPP is moving forward to contest the midterm elections following Saleng A Sangma's victory in the Tura parliamentary constituency. The party aims to strengthen its presence in the region and build on its recent electoral successes as it gears up for the challenges ahead.
Party which is preparing itself adequately for every election. It could be a legislative assembly election, it could be the district council election, it could be the MP election. We are a party that prepares our election adequately. We will fight the by-election and try to retain the seat. We'll try to take it away from any other political party. Because at this point of time, political stability in the state of Meghalaya is very much required. We don't know what debates there are, but back again, we just pray that we do not divide ourselves based on our communities, our creed, our professions, our religion. NPP will prepare the best. If you ask me what is our level of preparation and preparedness?
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.